Welcome to Mars Weather. Today, we'll start by checking in on the surface rovers, then take a look at the three-sol forecast ahead. Perseverance is operational since February 2021 and today continues its mission on Mars. During the latest drive on mission Sol 1922, the rover covered 43.5 meters, bringing its total traverse to 43.66 kilometers. At the rover's current location, today's climatological model estimates show a high of -31 degrees and a low of -77 degrees, with winds reaching up to 77 kilometers per hour. Atmospheric dust opacity is at 0.75 tau under a pressure of 7.8 millibars. Curiosity remains operational since August 2012 and continues to explore the Martian surface. On mission Sol 4959, Curiosity drove 58.5 meters, adding to its total odometry of 37.87 kilometers. Today's climatological model estimates for the rover's location indicate a high of -31 degrees and a low of -74 degrees, with winds of up to 52 kilometers per hour. Dust opacity is measured at 0.77 tau, and the atmospheric pressure is at 9.3 millibars. Today, we bring you a view from Curiosity's navcam, captured on mission Sol 4961 in Gale Crater. This image provides a raw perspective of the Martian landscape, courtesy of NASA/JPL Caltech. Zhurong has been dormant since May 2022, with no movement recorded since its last drive of 0 meters. The rover has completed a total traverse of 1.92 kilometers. Today's climatological model estimates for Zhurong's location show a high of -35 degrees and a low of -80 degrees, with winds reaching up to 101 kilometers per hour. The atmospheric pressure is at 9.2 millibars and dust opacity is recorded at 1.01 tau. InSight, now retired since December 2022, has completed its mission on Mars. Since it has not driven, it remains at its original landing site. Today's climatological model estimates for InSight's location indicate a high of -29 degrees and a low of -74 degrees. Winds are expected to reach up to 42 kilometers per hour, with a dust opacity of 0.87 tau under a pressure of 7.8 millibars. Sol 601C's daytime highs averaging -31 degrees. The sky remains filled with a dusty haze, with Hellas Planitia experiencing the highest dust optical depth at 1.28. Strong winds peak at 109 kilometers per hour near the Viking 1 location. Overnight lows drop to a frigid -78 degrees. Looking ahead, temperatures trend slightly downward during the day and night. Dust remains elevated, while wind intensity holds steady across the next 2 sols. Phobos begins its first crossing of Mars's apparent disk. Duration 54 minutes. Not visible from Los Angeles and New York due to daylight or twilight, and from London because Mars is below the horizon. Phobos begins its next crossing of Mars's apparent disk. Duration 54 minutes. Not visible from Los Angeles and New York because Mars is below the horizon, and from London due to daylight or twilight. Mars is currently in the constellation Taurus. For observers in New York, Mars rises at 2:32 in the morning and sets at 5:28 in the afternoon. That wraps today's Mars weather report. Stay tuned for more updates from the Red Planet.